Maria Local Poultry Farm tusangibwa wano e Mukono ku namba y'essimu 0752 91 71 44. Abagala WhatsApp eri 0726 24 85 7. What can we do so that we gain from these local chickens? What can we do so that we gain from these local chickens, so that we get profits from these local chickens? Number one, you need to be hardworking. Don't just sit back to wait for the market to look for you. You have to look for the market by yourself. Remember, whenever you wait for people to come at your farm to buy chicks, they will buy them at a low price. But if you move around the nearby trading centers in your area, trust me, you will sell those chicks at a good price. You need to be hardworking. You don't need to sit back to wait for the market to look for you. You have to look for the market by yourself. Since you started this business by yourself, it's you to look for the market, not anyone else. Some people ask, Maria, if I buy chicks from you, please, will you get the market for me? The answer is no. I may help you, but I will not help you 100% because this is your business. You started it and you know what you want from it. So I cannot give you assurance that I'm going to get the market for you. If it's there, I'll tell you that there is a market here. But if I don't have it, still you have to look for that market by yourself. Remember, you started the project by yourself. You have chicks, you have hens, you have cocks, you have eggs, but you're just sitting there waiting. You have to move around, go to the supermarkets, go to the restaurants in your area. There are those people around you. Go to their gates, knock, tell them, I have cocks, I sell eggs, yellow yolk eggs, local eggs. Tell them, try your best so that you can get something out of your local chicken. Be creative. You have to be creative. If you fail to get the market, if you've moved around and you fail to get a market, which is impossible, sell them by yourself. Make a wire mesh like this. I know mubumanyi buno obutimba bwe bateekamu enkoko mu katale. Yeah, take them to the market. Sell them by yourself. If you cannot move here and there to look for the market, just make that room. Go to the welding, those people who make welding, let them make for you one. Put something like 8 cocks or hens. Get a space in the market. Put it there. Then try selling them by yourself. Trust me, you will get good profits than staying home waiting for the buyers to find you at home. If not, make a meat store, a butcher, chicken butcher. Cut it by yourself or get a person to help you if you cannot cut it by yourself. Yeah, you need to be creative so that you get something from this business. You need to be creative. Don't just sit back and wait. Make the good use of internet. Most of you, you reach at me and you reach me. This is what you say: Maria, I saw you on YouTube. Maria, I got your number from TikTok. That's how I get people. So you have to make good use of internet. Market your business every day. Put something on your page. Show them what you're selling every day, because that's your business. Because you're working from home, so that is your business. Wake up every day in the morning, put something on your page. Try to tell them what you're doing. Try to show them every day. Because most of you, you get me from YouTube, from TikTok. That's how I get clients, because I post my job, I post my business. You don't have to be ashamed of what you're doing, because that's where you get money. That's where you've invested your money. So if you fear people to see that this one is doing this, is in poultry, then you are not ready to do this. Trust me. So be comfortable with what you're doing, so that you gain from it. At Maria Local Poultry Farm, we train those who need to start poultry business. We sell 1-day-old chicks. We sell 1-month-old chicks. We sell fertilized eggs. You just reach me on this number, 0752917144. Those who want WhatsApp, 0726248570. Maria Local Poultry Farm. We are located in Mukono. When you're coming from Kampala, you get out from the taxi at Equity Bank. Yeah, Equity Bank, there is a border stage. You just tell them you're going to Maria Local Poultry Farm, Nakavago. That's where we are located. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you, everyone.